Hi, I'm Kerry Buckmaster and I'm a certified trainer in nonviolent communication and I'm a conflict practitioner. So what I take that to mean is that I support people when they're in conflict, and I do that in lots of different ways. So I might listen to them so they can understand what's going on for them and what's so difficult about a situation and support them to get next steps. Or I might support people in mediations. So I would prepare people for the mediation and then have a joint conversation together. Or I might work within a group or an organisation in a larger group to have a conflict process which would be designed according to whatever is needed in the moment. So I have developed this development and integration group for conflict transformation. This is going to run over 3 Saturdays in 2025 in person in West London in a gorgeous location by the river. And what we're going to do in these 3 sessions is you will have a group that with the same people who you can come back to and deepen in connection with. You will all increase and deepen your MVC skills. You will all have space to work through conflicts that you are witness to or part of, or conflicts that you would like to support as a practitioner, as a mediator, or to host conflict processes, or to support someone, kind of conflict coaching, to support someone who is going through conflict. We will deepen your MVC skills. We will understand and use tools like intention and impact. We will look at conflict in the moment. We will look at bystander tools. We will understand power dynamics and systemic issues that always are part of conflict. We will look at transforming enemy images, and we will look at the skills and the practices needed to create safer containers. We will also look at understanding stress responses. So if you are interested in this opportunity to have an in-person, in London, closed group over 3 sessions in 2025, do get in touch. You need to have a foundation training in MVC, and get in touch if you have any more questions. Hope to see you there.